In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a channel in Slack. Joining channels in Slack is one of the easiest ways to stay connected to the conversations that matter most to you, whether that's a project, a department, or even a casual social space inside your workspace. When you first join Slack, you're usually added to a few default channels, but there are often many more public channels available that you can join whenever you need them. Before we begin, it's helpful to understand the difference between public and private channels. Public channels are open to everyone in the workspace, and you can search for and join them yourself. Private channels are different. They're hidden from general search, and you can only access them if someone who is already a member invites you directly. So in this video, we're focusing on how to find and join public channels. First, open Slack using either the desktop app or your web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Slack organizes your chats, channels, and navigation options. To open the channel directory, click on Filters and then Channels. Depending on how your sidebar is set up, you may instead need to click More and then Channel Browser. Both options lead you to the same place, so don't worry if your layout looks a little different. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's also a faster way to get there. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and L. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and L. That will jump you straight to the channel directory search bar. Once the channel browser is open, go to the search field at the top, click into it, and type a keyword related to the kind of channel you want to find. This could be something like marketing, design, or a general interest topic. As you type, Slack automatically filters the results in real time, which makes it much easier to narrow things down. You'll usually see the channel name, a short description, and how many members are currently in it. When you find a channel that looks relevant, click on it to open a preview window. This is a useful step because it lets you confirm that the channel is actually the one you need before joining it. Take a moment to scroll through the conversation history and get a feel for the content and purpose of the channel. If it looks right, click the green Join Channel button at the bottom of the screen. In some layouts, you may also see a Join button when you hover over the